So when it comes to your spine and keeping your spine mobile, a great exercise to hit every point is cat-camel. You'll need to be on all fours. And we've got two basic moves. The first one, like a camel, we're reaching our spine to make a hump towards the ceiling. I also want you to tuck your chin in and keep reaching as high as you can. The opposite, stretching out like a cat, taking our spine to the ground, our head up to the ceiling there. And then reversing that. To do at least 5. I find my body really wants to move in this, and I start exploring different ranges. The cat-camel.